waiting for the goddamn orca to spawn.
I really cannot be bothered to do transport anymore.
Fuck you, Miller.
Fuck it.
Yeah, but you have a passenger in that.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Let's see how the goes talk.
Oh, I need to be on foot.
No, that's not how this works.
If you're so fat that you'll end up on your back and cannot turn over, then it's your problem.
Fuck you, Norris. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Oh, Rickard's
No!
which
No!
Are you doing
Someone
Winner's
dig.
bracket?
I think I attached the wrong way. So my tractor isn't.
Oh, fuck. Yes.
I think having
Fuck you,
Miller on
Rickard.
here makes me flip myself over when I flip. Yeah, Miller is an anti-flip device. I feel like I'm cheating now.
No, no. Oh, what?
Physics.
Fuck.
That
Cool
was
flip
a
though.
sweet backflip, would you?
Yeah. And I love it. They fucking sit at a. Is it the fucking mirrors they're causing it?
you still need to get them out the box.
Oh shit, now I can't get in.
Is it worth being a medic?
No.
Ah.
Thank you for informing me.
Back to the fucking. Back I go.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I know, right?
I feel like I want to spectate this more than I want to play it.
Do just that.
Oh
And
my
report,
God.
report with an Irish accent.
Did you see
No.
that flip again?
Don't. You keep pushing the Irish accent. Murph will come over from Ireland and murder me.
Yes.
Yeah, because I can understand you more when you're doing the Irish accent.
Fuck off.
Fuck.
Come on, Rickard, you got it.
So who's the money on? Is it Jenkins? Oh, Rickard's still in his tractor. Oh, he's mounting you
Yes.
like a
Oh.
bitch.
Are you guys doing winner's bracket?
Oh, we're all upside down
Hi,
now.
everyone.
There's gonna be a
We're
launch soon,
recording, by the way.
in some direction.
Oh my gosh.
There it goes.
With commentaries from TeamSpeak.
Yeah, we kind of.
No, fuck you.
TeamSpeak because I'm flying.
Dude,
and
he's
I
just
don't.
a 180.
Fuck.
Rickard is ruthless. He was hunting Widgie as he was running towards the tractor.
Shall
That's
I
how
shoot
we roll.
Rickard's windows? Is he invincible in that thing?
No.
No, just the tractor.
Also, what the hell is that ban? That's not.
I just want to shoot his windows.
It's probably an old band.
Or Admiral's first one.
Fuck.
Norris. I know it's you, Norris.
Need to make the square smaller, I think.
Yeah.
Oh. No!
Oh,
Oh, Jenkins saved by the
so
side,
close.
Blood in the water, Jenkins on the fence.
You guys doing a 1-on-1 or
No.
a free for all?
No.
Free for all.
Leave my tractor.
Aw.
Fuck you.
It's at times like this you wish you had the ace hand signals.
Yes. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, cool flip, bro.
No.
Whoa! Bye bye, Rickard.
Okay.
Huh.
Why is Rickard back in it? Rickard's back in.
He's not back in it.
Oh,
No,
oh
that's
with
just
that
me
flip, he
flipping
deserved to be
back
back in. Oh.
Fuck. Oh, damn it. Wait, the hedgehogs move?
Yeah.
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 Oh,
It's
you're
called
mine. You're
dynamic.
mine, Wedge. Oh, you're mine.
It's called a dynamic field.
Oh.
Just adds to the strategic level.
How are you moving?
I don't know.
Which either.
The winner
See
will
ya.
be known as the Bovine King.
See ya. Fuck.
Okay. This is just physics. It just keeps doing flips.
Wait, was that when you hit the sheep? Enable stimulation on the sheep.
It is enabled.
They're like no clip though, on the as standard.
No. They can walk through walls and stuff, but you can still shoot them or run them over.
Will it
Yes.
send you to space?
I don't think so.
Just go outside.
But it's armor, so maybe.
Fuck.
The hell are these flips? These are the best things I've ever seen.
Tractors apparently have a really good
One lever,
counterbalance.
They should.
They're equipped with a gyro.
We definitely need to make this smaller.
What's next? GBO basketball.
Ah!
Anonymous decision. Someone needs to score us.
Alright.
Oh, he's
start.
shooting at us.
3.
Jet's shooting at us.
Wait, start the jet first.
Go away, Jet!
Oh god. Alright, starting in 3.
Shouldn't we have a defense
2,
on the
Jenkins,
airfield
one.
Jenkins,
when
go.
Striker
Go.
is here?
Oh, yes.
No.
No!
Well, who
I
just
hope
got
that
launched?
Jan Cook is
Give me
or
your
Cook
Scottish
is
bastard!
like Asian or something like that.
No,
Otherwise,
no.
otherwise, KUK is something totally different.
That name is the same as some pop artist in Korea, I think.
No,
Ah.
fuck.
So far.
So am I out?
I'm stuck. No.
Went like 400 meters.
Yes.
Oh, Jenkins going in blood in the water.
Oh, I knocked myself out. Someone pick me up, Chris. What are you doing out there?
He's fucking flagged.
Flying all the way back there.
Someone pick me up. Alhej, pick me up.
God damn it, I can't push him out. this. No.
Ooh!
No! Come back, you bastard! Come back, you bastard!
Fuck.
Fuck you and your flag!
No!
That sounds like a fun thing to do in Space Engineers, something like that. Build your own crazy vehicle.
Take that,
Oh,
you!
mate. I'm out.
Oh shit!
You
Oh
can shove
shit!
your fucking chariot up your ass. Oh god, I'm done. No winners.
Well,
Everybody flew
I
off.
guess another draw. Time to reset.
Who managed to blow up an invincible vehicle?
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Someone's already out.
Oh, fuck. No! Oh!
Oh, GG.
Screw you, Britain.
Oh man.
Better use jet instead.
Just gave you a friendly buzz. It's set to do not fire, Norris. Please
What's
don't
going on?
freak out.
Midnight's out. Oh, shit.
What?
I'm just I'm buzzing Guardian. I'm currently in a shaker. Caps.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm just keeping him on his toes.
Let's go.
Fuck. Oh, that was close.
Where did I go?
There we go. He gone.
I just buzzed the Orca.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Yeah, the bus got taken out, so.
How is Jenkins not dead?
I didn't have anything to do with that either. I was shooting Guardian with the cannons, you know,
Why?
like in the field.
It's okay, I got him.
Yeah.
I mean,
No, I wasn't actually
You have the
shooting
edge.
Guardian. I was shooting in the field behind Guardian, just to like, you know, hello.
yeah, we have the enemy jet up. And the friendly jet up, I mean.
That was
Enemy
awesome.
three,
Andrew.
whatever.
No, I didn't get him. I haven't fired one single missile.
No, good old
No.
excuse.
I got 3 bombs,
It's just
4 archer,
just descended into
6
chaos.
adder, 3
The
caviar.
sumo wrestling has descended into chaos. Oh boy.
A
Well, we can
93
either reset
cannon.
and go again via the
Who
rules
would've
of
thunk
get
it?
outside the ring.
My
or just
radar
keep
is
ramming
always
each other,
on
I
them.
guess.
Who would have thunk that the
It ran me over as soon as I spawned in. God damn it.
Fuck.
Poor Jenkins.
I'm still in the arsenal.
Wait, there's an arsenal?
That wasn't me.
Rivet, no one's saying anything.
Yeah, but I always get the blame for something like that.
Have any of you noticed yet who's in the porta potty?
Some Egypt.
Good hit, Striker.
Well, the reward can be you can keep the tractors, but the invincibility will be turned off. So, I'm not going to tell you when I'm turning it off, but it'll be turned off.
My God.
God has left the building.
I think sending someone up to intercept it because I was gonna land it and delete it, but if someone's coming up to kill it,
No, so I didn't realise it was gonna blow you off.
Me neither.